Hey everyone, it's Randy with Carchaeology, and we are back to the massive classic car estate that we're dealing with here. And today's video is regarding the 1947 Chrysler Town and Country. Now, this is a car that's probably not going to be up for sale right away. They're still kind of deciding whether it's something they want to keep or let go, but it is a truly spectacular car and a fantastic opportunity to clean this thing off, start it, and maybe take it out for a drive. Now, the Chrysler Town and Country was something that started pre-war. It stopped during World War II and then came back after the war. In 1947, this was based on the Windsor model, and they built about 2,000 of these cars. How many are still around today? I'm not too sure, but this one has got to be one of the finest that I've ever seen. So let's check it out, see if we can make it go. This car is so amazing to me. It's just phenomenal. Oh yeah, look at that. Spitfire. Oh, that is crazy. Look at the size of that radiator and the shape of it.
Yeah, well, the tank must hold 3 gallons
at least. That's a monster.
Yeah, it was really. So you just put right in there. And I think this one will idle too.
And how long has this one been sitting?
This one I've started now and then, but it's been sitting probably 7-8 years.
All right.
When was it that you drove it? A couple years ago, I think I took it down the block. I think it'll idle.
Yes. Magic. God, this car is really super clean. Love this.
Yeah, this is I'm actually embarrassed that it's dirty. You know, it shouldn't be. You know.
That's an incredible car.
Thank you. So this is like semi-stick, right? This is it's the high and low range. So it's got the fluid drive. It's got like a torque converter and clutch. Yeah. Look at that roof rack. Isn't that beautiful? The whole thing.
Now let's do it.
Yeah.
Get it out. It's not good for the stuff to sit. Fluid drive. There we go.
Yeah, I'll avoid all that. Yeah, I can turn.
Absolute amazing transformation, that first bath. That was really satisfying. This car was screaming to be washed and pulled out of that garage. An honor to be here to do that. What an amazing car. Absolutely love it. Wow. Incredible.
There's something supposed to.
Yeah. Yeah, there's definitely something very special about that. Wow.
Yeah, dude, check this.
Are we there yet?
Don't ask me again, kids. Don't make me pull over.
Right. Don't make me come back there. Don't smack you.
Yeah, the brakes are really good.
Did he ever drive this much? Like, do you ever remember this leaving here? Coming down to like our house?
Unfortunately, I don't think he did drive it much.
To the casino, please.
Okay.
Yeah. Any of these have Mopar on it?
Oh, really? The little
Yeah.
wind deflector there is a Mopar piece?
Yes.
How cool is that?
The light to on the
That's got to be near impossible.
Yeah,
to-
don't break it.
Definitely. Don't touch it.
not touch it.
That's why he didn't drive it.
Yeah.
Don't touch it.
So this is the low range. So if I lift my foot off the gas now, it'll shift.
Okay.
Okay.
Awesome.
And then I'll go along and then I'll shift it into high range, and I think it'll put it in fourth.
Huh.
You got to build speed in this, Army's got decent.
If you go too fast, they can't see you.
Yeah.
Right.
This is about being seen.